wash away the rain. Black horse on, won't you come? Won't you come? Oh, won't you
Wow, well done, Rachel. Anya, what do you think of Rachel's performance tonight?
With 3 acts in and I want to go home. That was so like weird, but like a really good weird. I felt like I wanted to like just kind of dance, you know? Don't really want to comment, just want to dance. It was so powerful. I mean, your performance was everything, like from the vocals to the way you were walking around, to the way you eye contact, your outfit. You've got it all right there. That was incredible, and I love the top thing, by the way. It's so fancy, I love it. Your vocals, I don't think I can say enough to justify how awesome they were. And that note at the end, I mean, when I hear you sing House of the Rising Sun, yes. I thought, right, okay, that's your vocal range, but no, you've come out and you've done even more. And I'm so intrigued. I'm intrigued by you. I'm excited. Well done. Thank you.
Kelly?
It was just like so old school. I felt like we'd been sort of like transported to some like jazz club somewhere at that really sort of like, in a really good way, like a really sort of old vibe. It was just, I kind of like just got lost in like your voice. Because I think that it just showed off how much variety you had with the different tones, because it was dark in places, it was quite breathy in places, and then I think you had some like operatic notes then towards the end. I just thought that was, wow. I don't know what I can say. It was like you went from House of the Rising Sun and then just came out and showed us something completely different. And I agree with Anya, I am really, really intrigued and excited to see what you can do, because I think you could take any song and kind of make it yours, you know, with this like sort of quirky vibe that you've got going on. It was fab, well done.
Thank you.
Rachel, I mean, in all honesty, this is right up my street, because I like artists that are very different, very odd, very unusual, very out of the box, because the industry hasn't had that. So I like people that ain't the same as anyone else, because that's what's going to sell ultimately. Like literally, your audition, like even with your audition being so good, after meeting you in rehearsals this week, I really got to see how unaware of who you really are as a talent. And when you started exploring and showing me these different things that you're capable of, I was like, wow, this girl's got so much variety in her voice, going from the classical to like a rocky sound to a jazzy sound, and these twangs. And it did bring up memories of Kathleen Jenkins, because she mixes her voice a lot throughout the songs. And I do feel like you're on that early steps to where she would go, where you would go. So all I can say is, again, you brought variety tonight to that vocal and the song choice. I don't think anyone would have heard of that song. It's such a bold choice that you've done tonight, but it was an absolute brave move, and it was a fantastic move, because you showed us another side to you. But like, if you are successful on to the next part, I'm just buzzing to hear what you're going to do, because you've got so much variety in it, and the outfit was amazing too. You smashed it. Well done. Well done.